Tom Terry, and Mark Douglas. So, all right. We're going to do things just a little bit differently this morning. The first shall be last, and the last shall be first. The first bill should be pretty quick, since we have already had it in the Reg Reform Committee, and so there's been a minor change to it. Dennis, do you want to come up and tell us about your change?
Actually, we should.
Without objection, there's PCS. Okay.
All right, to my surprise, I think, and most of the folks who were following the bill's surprise, the bill was removed from Rules Committee yesterday unexpectedly, without warning, without any word. So we got the bill referred back to the Rules Committee, and we thought, since we're here again, let's take advantage of the opportunity to talk a little bit about reflexology, which seemed to be part of the issue driving the removal of the bill from Rules yesterday, as well as one portion that is an add-on dealing with the Department of Transportation. And if we have any questions about that component, I will default to Representative Chesser on that. Thank you.
Thank you. I have got, where did my list go? I've got 3 people that want to speak. We're going to only do 1 minute each. We're pressed with time. So the first one's Cynthia Hill.
Testing, 1, 2, there we go. Hi everyone, I am Cynthia Hill. I'm a nationally board certified reflexologist and an instructor in reflexology. We're here today to support House Bill 926 and set a standard for reflexology because we think that our people who book with us deserve some semblance of quality across the board. We believe that the steps that ARCB provides for a psychometrically valid, dependable test will go a long way in setting that standard. It is administered only in English. It requires a minimum of 200 hours of education dedicated specifically to reflexology. Some of you might be wondering what reflexology is. It is a scientific art that takes advantage of the body's ability to replicate itself in miniature. So all of your in-bits, your hands, your feet, your face, your ears can replicate or copy what is in your body. The specific techniques that are unique only to reflexology are only taught in reflexology education. Thank you.
Thank you. Next we have, can I read the first name? Neely, the last name? There you go. I apologize for that.
Hello, my name is Phaedra Neely. Thanks for having us back here today. I wanted to cover a little bit about reflexology. Reflexology is a non-invasive complementary discipline involving the use of alternating pressure applied to reflexes within the reflex maps of the body located in the feet, hands, and outer ears. The art and science of reflexology is based on the work of 2 American medical doctors, Dr. William Fitzgerald and Dr. Joe Shelby Riley. One's ENT and one's a chiropractor. Reflexology is recognized by many state governments as being a separate profession. Reflexology is documented in over 300 global research studies, included a $3.1 million grant from the National Institutes of Health, National Center for Complementary Alternative Medicine, to study the effects of reflexology on women with breast cancer undergoing chemotherapy and is being considered for the renewal. Reflexology, please help set the standard for 926. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And last but certainly not least, Catherine Ambrosini. I hope I said that right.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for having us here. It's been an honor to speak with you before and again today. My name is Catherine Ambrosini. I'm a nationally board certified reflexologist and very proud of the fact that I am trauma informed in my training. I hold the honor of working with people on a daily basis to help them calm, rebalance, and recover their nervous system from trauma, PTSD, and physical injury, as do my clients. It's an honor to be able to walk people through their healing journey. However, we all have personal experience with how impactful this work is in our daily lives. So for me, this recovered my physical body from surgery, but it also brought me back from PTSD and domestic violence. So this is really important work that our clients every day tells us face to face that this is changing their life and allowing them to recover their semblance of themselves, basically. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, so we'll bring it back to the committee here. Is there any discussion? We've kind of gone through this all over. If not, I will entertain a motion. Representative Bell.
I just wanted to say I thank the reflexologists for being here. I hate that the rain stopped you from being able to show us on the mall how wonderful reflexology is. And I think this is a art that's been around for a lot of centuries, and I think it does a lot of good. So thank you for having it as part of the bill, and thank you for being.
Okay. Anybody else? Motion? Representative Allen.
Motion.
Okay, so that would be a unfavorable to the original, favorable to the PCS, and advance to rules. All in favor? All opposed? Okay, so I made one mistake. It's kind of crazy time here, but I inadvertently did not introduce our pages. I can't believe that I did that. So I apologize, but first of all, we've got Rayanne Bookhart. Did I say that right? Rain Bookhart. There you go. And Brian Turner is the representative that sponsored her. Tucker Smith. Tucker Smith is from Tricia Cawthon's area. And we've got Caleb Stillwell from Carl Gillespie's area. That's a long way away. Thank you guys for being here. I hope this is a great week for you all. All right, next up we have House Bill 727, the Marriage Therapy, Family Therapy Modifications Act. And we're going to have Gable Wyatt is going to go ahead and present this to Wyatt Gable. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Chairman. Unfortunately, the one I'd prefer to have speak on this, the doctor, who's probably the expert, I had to step out for a budget meeting, so I'll fill in for him. The bill is very simple. As Representative Reeder informed me when we discussed this bill that we have a shortage in the state for marriage and family therapists, and this bill would help us hire more and get more people involved in this so we aren't having such a shortage. Just simply reduce the requirement for people and how many years they would need to come practice in the state if they've been doing so in other states. Somewhat similar to the social work compact we have. This isn't a compact, but it's similar to that, where if they've been practicing in other states, this just makes it easier for them to practice here so we can address the shortage and try and answer any questions anyone might have.
Okay. Any questions for the bill sponsor?
Full motion.
Okay, Representative Dixon, it looks like the time is appropriate.
I move for favorable vote for House Bill 727 with referral to rules.
Okay, you've heard the motion. All in favor? Aye. Any opposed? No opposed? The motion carries. Thank you, guys. That concludes our business for today. Thanks for coming.